Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Mariam Boss. And as you can see, we are making a talk today. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So, lovelies, let's dive in. These are the things we are going to use to make our ɛtor. I have palm oil here. If you don't like palm oil, you can use any oil of your choice. I have peanut butter here. I'll be using 4 plantains. I have my 2 eggs, avocado right there, and also my habanero pepper. I'll be using 4. If you like more, you can increase it. And also peanut. This is the roasted one, just a little, and also my 2 mini onions. So basically this is what we use to make ɛtor. To begin with, make sure you wash your plantain before you go ahead and take out the outer part. And very simple, you just make a line through like this, and then you do the rest with your hand. So anywhere you feel stuck, you just use your knife and get that out of your way. So we don't peel plantain, okay? We don't peel it. And then cut it nicely into your pot. So let's do it again one more time. We make a line through like this, and then we do the rest with our hand. So simple. And then we go ahead and cut it nicely into our cooking pot. So I then sprinkle some salt on it just to your taste, okay? And then add water to it. Make sure you use potable water, okay? A very clean water. So I then add my 2 eggs. Make sure you wash it before you add it here, and then cover it and bring it to heat to cook on medium. As our plantain is on fire, let's begin to make our ɛtor base, and it's very simple. All you need for the base is your onions and also your chili and salt to taste. So I'm going to chop one of the onions and also shred one. I add the chopped onions to my pepper, set it aside, and then shred this one for garnishing and also to fry some in our palm oil. It's very important to garnish your food, yeah, especially this particular dish. Alright, we are done here. So then go ahead and add some salt to my pepper and onions, and go ahead and grind it using my ɛtor and also my wooden grinder. This is a local recipe, so when we are making it, we use local things. So let's check on our plantain. Wow, I love the color. It's well cooked, perfect. So I'm gonna cover it and then strain the water off camera. And it's time to grind our plantain. So assuming you are making this in a large quantity, like you are making it to sell or for a large number of people, you cannot use your ɛtor and your wooden grinder. That is going to take a very long time. So the best thing is to use your mortar and pestle, okay? You use your mortar and pestle. Just pour everything in your mortar and then pound it at once. Don't add water to it. Even with the grinding, you don't supposed to add water to it. Perfect. Okay, nice one. So I then go ahead and add my peanut butter to it. I'm gonna leave some because I have some old bread. I'm going to enjoy it with the peanut butter. So I then mash everything together, or should I say grind, whatever. Let's have a taste. So I have my pan on fire. I pour in my palm oil and then allow it to heat up. It's very important to heat your oil before you use it. Well heated, so I then go in with my shredded onions. We give it a stir and then allow the onions to infuse its flavor in the oil. But please don't allow the onions to turn brown, okay? Alright, it's okay. So I take it off and then pour it on the plantain. Nice one. So I then go ahead and mix everything with my plastic spoon. No, it's not helping, so I switch to my wooden spoon. Alright, so I go ahead and add the remaining oil to it. It's time to make our ɛtor more nutritious, so I add additional peanut to it. This is the roasted one. I go in with my shredded onions and then cut my avocado and add it to the ɛtor to make it more nutritious and also balanced. Okay, let's begin our garnishing. It's very important to garnish your food because when we put the nutritional aspect aside, it can boost one's appetite level. So it's very important. Garnishing is very important, okay? So always garnish your food. Alright there, look at that, lovely. How do you see it? Hope you try this recipe soon, especially if you live outside Ghana. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love.